Wow, are we really doing this?
We are.
Oh my gosh, come here, Doberman. Come here, little guy. Well, this isn't Ruby, guys.
Ruby!
He's over there. Aww.
Alrighty guys, well welcome back to the Garage Couple.
It's been a while since we last saw you guys, but that is for good reason. We have both been incredibly busy, and guess what? We added one of these to our family. Now, if you don't follow our channel, my name is Greg. I drive this TJ Rubicon behind me.
My name is Aline and I drive that JKU over there.
And we make tons and tons of install videos. We show you our favorite parts. We make review videos. We've made off-roading, camping videos, cooking videos. So be sure to hit that subscribe button to see all of our content and never miss a beat. So what are we doing on today's episode? Well, why don't we talk about little Doberman?
So this is our new addition to the family. He is a miniature pinscher and his name is Dobie, kind of like Ruby, D-O-B-I. For those of you that don't follow us on Instagram, make sure to check it out to get inside sneak peek of our little baby.
This is actually Ford Bronco, and that...
Here we go again.
As you can tell, Ruby is a little stronger than Dobie, or Ford Bronco, is it, you know?
Anyways.
So on this week's episode, we have been meaning to make this video. It is February in Southern, I guess it's February everywhere. But it is February, and as you know, I love driving without a top on. That is the reason why I drive a Wrangler. And although I love my Patriot Fastbacks Hard top on my Jeep TJ, I absolutely love the open air feeling, and really I'd like to do that year round. I'd like to have the top off year round, but I always worry about the elements, like the rain, especially like a couple weeks ago. What was that? The rain was nuts.
Insane.
So we have a solution to drive topless, as well as not having to worry about rain coming in and all that good stuff.
And it is a quick and easy fix. It's something you could take with you wherever you go in case you're in a place where you can't really predict the weather, or in Southern California when it rains once a year.
So we'll put the link directly in the description. Why don't we go ahead and grab it?
Let's do it. And here's the baby in case you guys want to see him close up and personal. Hi, mamas.
Alrighty, so let's get right to it.
Ruby, mama, come here. Let's show them what we have. Ruby, come here, mama. Let's show them what we have. Come on, buddy. Hi. You want to help us open it? Come on, buddy. All right.
So there it is in all of its glory, with the two pups trying to help us take care of business. That is a cover from Suparee. If that name sounds familiar to you, it's because we have many other parts on our Jeep from Suparee, including our headlights that are absolutely super cool. As you know, we've given away at least 50 sets of headlights, 30 or so in person, 20 online over the years. We are known for our giveaways. In fact, we're working on one. But in any case, if you haven't seen our Suparee headlights, check out the link in the description to watch that video. Why don't we go ahead and walk you through the features of this bad boy.
Now, to start off, as you can see, we opted for camouflage. We thought it looked super cool, but it does come in a variety of colors in case you're not about the camo. It also comes specific to your Jeep. Whether it is a TJ, a JK, a 4-door, a 2-door, it will fit snug on your Jeep specifically.
What if it's a Ford Bronco? Will the TJ one fit a Ford Bronco?
Is anyone feeling like a vibe right now? Like, I don't know what's happening today, Greg.
Ford, built tough. Bronco.
Jeep, build tougher.
Alright guys, so let's just get down to it. I'm just gonna go ahead and comment. We did take this out of the bag just to look at it. We have yet to install it, so we don't actually know exactly how it goes on. We're about to learn together. But when we put it back in the bag, as you can see, the front door, and as you know, I mean, these things are a lot harder to put back than to take out. So just keep that in mind, it's normal. I don't really mind that the bag tore as long as the cover doesn't tear. Why don't we go ahead and open it up and let's lay it out.
It's been a while, guys. I think that things are a little shaky today.
Alright, why don't we lay it out right over here? You're holding our precious cargo, so I guess I could do the honors.
Right?
Alrighty. As you notice on here, We have areas of reflective yellow tape, as you can see. There's also a lock and a cable in the kit, although, you know, if you wanted to cut that, it wouldn't be that terribly difficult. But it looks to be like pretty decent in terms of durability. We can go ahead and let you know exactly how it holds up over time. It actually feels pretty thick, and I think that's part of the reason why it doesn't actually fit right back into the bag as easy. The outside looks like it's water repellent. It's like that slick finish, and the inside is actually pretty soft. It seems like it won't really scratch the paint.
And it also doubles as a sleeping bag in case you're traveling.
Forgot to mention. You do one of those, you get your dog and you tuck them right in.
And you call it a day.
And why don't we just show you that feature a little bit more specifically here.
Hi! Blanket.
Just make sure that
bag.
reflective portion faces the front, just in case.
Oh, it's so cozy, and just like you said, it's warm inside, Greg. Okay, up.
On the Jeep it goes. Should we do one of those?
And what is happening up there?
How cool is that? Someone's making a baseball.
Baseball. Back to the video.
Back to the video we go. All right, so let's figure out which side the front is. It should have cutouts for the side mirrors, which I think it does here. So this is the front, so let's switch. Wanna go put Doberman down? All right, so why don't we go ahead and put this bad boy on. Let's see what it looks like. 1, 2. Cool.
What you want to do is line up the area for your side mirrors, and everything else will fall in place. Let's do it. Like I said, side mirrors. Maybe we can do a magic show and we can just snap our fingers and another Jeep will be underneath the cover. Maybe, maybe not.
Wow, how cool does that look? Wow, I am blown away. That looks so cool. Kind of hoping a nice 392 comes up.
I already thought.
Oh, did you? Let's just take a look at that cover. That looks so cool. The line actually matches our track bar down there.
Oh, it even clips together so this doesn't rattle. One side has the buckle, the other side has the rope, and it ties through just to hold it in place. That's pretty legit.
I'm just taken back by how nice this looks.
Oh, look at this. Come here, come here. We even got a little zipper in case you need to get something from your car. Nice little nifty feature.
That's really cool. I actually think the Jeep silhouette looks way cool. It almost looks like the Tesla Cybertruck or something. I mean, look at how meaty those tires are. That looks so awesome. What do you think?
I love it. It's a great cover.
Well, I'm actually really excited. We're gonna keep the cover actually in the Jeep, which will allow us to pop this on in case it starts raining. Now, we've had a lot of cool products before, but this is definitely up there. I mean, just look at how cool that looks. I just love the way this looks. Is that wrong? Is that bad?
No, not at all.
Why do I like it so much?
Maybe you need some camo accents on the red Jeep.
It's just so nice seeing huge tires and no car. Wow. This is, I guess I feel like the fenders definitely help with how nice this looks. I mean, the tires are just so cool. So this was the first video back, and it feels pretty cool. It feels pretty great. We really miss making these videos. It's just we don't have as much time as we used to. Just as an example for today, I already worked 12 hours. The sun is gonna set in about 30 minutes. Ollie also worked 10 to 12 hours today. We have a puppy to take care of who is crying as we speak, and I have a 24-hour shift tomorrow.
And another barking dog running around everywhere.
So as you can tell, things have been pretty difficult for us, but we're gonna try our best to make it work. In fact, we have a couple cool installs coming up. We have a whole different lighting system for the TJ plan. We also have a lift kit planned for the TJ. We're really excited to share that one with you guys. We actually started making the video a couple months ago, but we weren't able to finish, and we're gonna finally finish it just because the parts just did not work. We always try to find the most affordable parts that get the job done, and in that case we weren't able to do it. So we have a solution, and that video is coming up shortly. Now, don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we are planning on giving away some cool things. We have a lift kit giveaway planned, as well as a headlights and other accessories planned. So hit that red button below and never miss a beat.
Thank you guys again for the support through the entire process. We know we've been busy and a lot of you have reached out, so we really appreciate the actual love and care that this community has really given us. And we're excited to jump right back in with all the amazing content. Make sure to check us out on Instagram at Garage Couple and TikTok. We have some pretty funny TikToks up and reels on Instagram. We're kind of comedians on the side as well. So
Just on the side.
So don't miss a beat, and we will see you on the next one.
Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to check this product out. Link below. Peace. Remember when I used to carry you out? Are we still doing that?
We're a little old.
We got a little old for that, I think.
You just hand me a beer.